Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size on one page in Squarespace. So head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. On your dashboard, click on Edit Site, then click on Edit again. This will open the website editor. To change the font size globally, click on Site Styles on the upper right corner. Then go to Fonts. Here, you can adjust the base size, which affects all text across your entire website and all pages. You can also click on the headings to adjust the size of heading 1, heading 2, and so on. Keep in mind, any changes here will apply to every page on your site. If we change the font size in Site Styles, all text that uses the same heading style will update everywhere. So this method is not ideal if you only want to change the font size on a single page. To change the font size on just one page, go back to the editor, let's close the Site Styles, then click on any text block that you want to edit. For example, this one. Click on it, highlight the text, then find the button that has an icon with arrows right here. It is the Scale Text. Click on the Scale Text. Once this is enabled, you can resize the text box by dragging the edges. As you make the box larger or smaller, the text inside will automatically scale. This change only affects the specific box that you clicked, or the text block, this one right here. It does not affect the other text blocks on the same page. You can fine-tune the font size by adjusting the text box width until it looks right. This method keeps your global styles intact while giving you full control over one page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.